Hi, my name is Akhil Jai Patel. Discussing about contribution of experimental studies to prove matter wave concept. I am from aeronautical engineering. De Broglie's theory. Wave particle duality of light. After light over hundreds of years, the issue of whether light is a particle or a wave is finally settled, or rather comprised in the early 20th century. It was now really acceptance that the light is a particle as well as wave. It is a hybrid called wave particle vehicle. Some cleverly people coined the word vehicle for a particular that is wave and at the same time as particle. The composite particle have dual characteristics like the multiple hydra in ancient grid. Particle material particle light intimated materials particles and become a vehicle, but what about the material particle themselves? There are many microscopes such as electron, neutron and photon and even quarks and clues. Do they have like a wave, matter wave? Photons are different from matter particle in they are significantly characterized. Matter particles are traditionally believed to be solid, localized and uneven when they are in motion. The idea of matter particle was wave like a photon. De Broglie's hypothesis. In 1924, a young French nobleman named Louis de Broglie submitted his doctoral thesis to the University of Paris under the title Research in the Quantum Theory. In contained a new message that seemed to be polluted particle wave based on the work of Max Planck and the Albert Einstein. De Broglie possessed in his thesis that the material particle such as electron should have both wave and particle properties just like photons. Early days of theory. His thesis was so original that it was easily recognizable, but there are not any experimental evidence of such a kind of wave at the time. So, the new idea of matter wave was not considered to have any physical reality. However, Planck draw the attention of Albert Einstein to matter. Einstein immediately recognized its significance and promoted Nobel Prize Award. 3 years later, in 1927, de Broglie's idea was confirmed by experiments and he received the Nobel Prize for his discovery of wave nature of electron in 1929. This made him the first person to receive a Nobel Prize on PhD thesis. Debut of matter wave. De Broglie said in 1929, does the find that in order to describe the properties of matter as well as those of light, we must employ waves and compulse simultaneously. We can no longer imagine the electron as being just a minute corpus of electricity such as associated of a wave with it. Significance. With this new discovery, de Broglie opened the gateway to the development of wave and quantum mechanics in early 19th century. Although in the later stages of development, the precise descriptions of a particle in motion no longer probable and give way to probabilistic interpreting. The discovery of de Broglie remained a historic landmark in physics. Relativistic energy, Einstein relativistic energy. Relativistic energy, the momentum p in relativistic energy is expression p is equal to m naught v by under root of 1 minus v square by c square. Squaring on both sides gives p square is equal to v naught square v naught by v whole square. M naught is the rest mass of the particle and v is the velocity of the particle, c is the speed of the light, and we arrive at p square is equal to m naught square v square by 1 minus v square by c square. multiplying both sides with c square, p square c square is equal to m naught square v square c square by 1 minus v square by c square. By adding and subtracting a term in by putting form p square c square is equal to m naught square v square c power 4 by v square c square into c power 4 by 1 minus v square by c square m naught v power 4 v square by c square minus 1 by 1 minus v square by c square plus v naught square m naught square c power 4 by 1 minus v square by c square, that is equal to minus m naught square power 4. The term m naught square c power 4 is just that relativistic mass. So the p square c square plus p naught square c power 4 is equal to m square c power 4, which may be arranged to give expression for relativistic energy. mc is equal to E is equal to mc under root of p square c square plus m naught square c power 4, that is equal to under root of p square c square plus m naught c square whole square. At the same time, Einstein theory of relativity point out that the particle like a photon of 0 rest mass m naught is equal to 0. So the relativistic energy becomes E is equal to under root of p square c square plus m naught c square, that is equals to 0, and E is equal to Pc. And that lambda is equal to h by mv. The equation of is derived by the de Broglie. Thank you. This is about the matter wave.